Hello, my friends. Today we making some caldo de queso. So in English mean cheese soup. Okay. Okay. So queso, cheese, vanilla, one onion, two green chilies. You have to toast it. I already toast mine, so it's here. Two garlics, and half of the cup of the cilantro. Two spoons the flour. 1 spoon the salt and pepper each, and 4 potatoes already cut it, so it's here. So now we want to start cutting the stuff. Okay, so start doing the onions. And you can cut in a little bit bigger pieces, not too little. So it's real simple recipe. Ooh, the onion made me cry. Okay. Okay, so now we wanna chop the cheese, okay, in square pieces. So this like that. Oh my god. Okay, and squares. The onions made me cry. I still feel it in my eyes. Chopping the cheese in squares. It's 1 pound the cheese. Okay. I'm making this recipe because people asking for this. Okay, my cheese is sharp already, and I need to do that. The garlic, we have to do it when and put in the vegetables. So I need to do it all together in here. Okay, my friends, everything is chopped. We want to start doing the soup. Okay, I'm back. So now we want to fry everything, the vegetables, the potatoes all together, and for do the soup. Okay, so I want to put the oil, maybe about 2 spoons. Okay, with the onions, green chili, garlic, and cilantro all together. Fry it a little bit. And like I say, a lot of people, the green chili, you put it in long strips. I cut it in pieces, square. I like it like better like that. You can put some tomato too. Let me get the tomato. Let me put that 1 tomato too. So you can do that tomato too, so just put it like this. And pieces, long pieces. Big chunks or little chunks, the way you like. And put in some of the potatoes now. Little mix everything with that 2 spoons there of flour. Put in the salt and pepper. This soup is so good. A lot of people, you don't know how to do it, but it's real simple. Only Spanish people, we know how to do it. One tomato sauce. The queso. Okay. Now we want to put the water. The cheese is going the last. So 2 cups in here. Two more, 4 cups. I need another one. It's too low. Five cups of water. You know, you can add some more water if you want, so because it's soup. But this is 5 cups of water, so it's good for this right now. So. Okay, now we want to put 1 spoon de caldo de pollo. I'm gonna taste it. It's good. We want to put the tomato sauce. Just mix it. Let it boil it and the potatoes get cook it. And the last we want to do the cheese. I'm gonna cover for boiling. Okay, I'm back. So we wanna check the soup is boiling. So we wanna add the cheese. So just stirring here first. And do the cheese now. Stir it. And this, leave it for maybe a couple minutes, 10 minutes. Get cook it all together. Okay. Hello, I'm back. Okay, my soup are ready. It's ready now. It was cooking for 10 minutes, so it's ready. So now I want to serve in the bowl. So need the potatoes done. Everything is done. Okay, so it's the soup. Wanna try it? Okay, it's done. It's in the bowl. Thank you for watching the video and see you in next video. Bye. Thank you.